normally kanina na FPS 100 lang, but ngayon nag-average siya na 305 doses.
Hey everybody, I'm coming to you live from my local cafe. It's a little different from my normal location, but thanks everybody for joining. Hey everybody, I'm coming to you live from my local cafe. It's a little different from my normal location, but thanks everybody for joining. Hey everybody, I'm coming to you live from my local cafe. It's a little different from my normal location, but thanks everybody for joining.
So kahit hindi high quality yung mic nyo, nagagawa niya ng paraan at parang modulated. Diba? Nakita nyo naman yung quality. So AI na yung nagtatrabaho.
In this case, allowing me to read the script from a screen next to the camera while I still engage with you. The new NVIDIA Broadcast Update will be available to all RTX users.
Diba, kahit yung sa mata, sa ilalim ng tenga, sa baba, ang hirap habulin ni AI yan pag gumagalaw ka. But with Keylight, parang seamless siya. Parang hindi AI yung nagtrabaho, parang hindi AI yung gumawa nito. Parang talagang meron kang ring light sa harap. Kahit pagalaw-galaw ka, yung shadow niya, napipick up niya pa rin. So yun yung gamit ni NVIDIA Broadcast. So all in all, yung suite na yan, it can make you more professional pag may kausap ka. Mas maganda yung quality ng voice mo, yung camera mo mas maganda, background mo, even yung skin tone mo, naiiba niya. At baka mamaya pwede na, sa susunod, baka pwede nang gawing Derek Ramsey na yung mukhang kala. Hindi naman.
Please welcome Ellie Fermentosa! Okay, so good afternoon to everyone.
Ang daming tao.
May may promo sila pero i-mention mo na balik sa dito.